Hi guys, I'm going to pick this Burgwächter disc lock or discus lock. It's a pretty nice lock. This is the key for it. Hey guys, I'm going to pick this Burgwächter discus lock. It's got its size here 22 of 60. Yeah, this is the key. I'm using a pretty small tension wrench with a little notch at the top for some extra space, and a small, hope you can see it, a small half diamond. And I'm single picking this one that works best for me on this lock. But I'm starting to rake more and more because yeah, I get a pretty good feeling of the super light tension picking, and so I work a lot more with the tension wrench, which makes it yeah, way better to pick complicated locks with security pins and stuff. So let's go again. Sometimes it really goes fast. Sometimes not.